Discover the unique ARES, Agile Responsive Effective Support, a revolutionary combat attack aircraft designed for close air support and anti-tank missions. Developed in the early 1980s, ARES was created in response to a U.S. Army request for low-cost, highly maneuverable aircraft capable of operating at low altitudes and from unprepared airfields. Initially spearheaded by U.S. Army pilots Jim Kreutz and Milo Burrows, the project was later led by the visionary Burt Rutan and his scaled Composites team. Innovative design and technical features. ARES features a canard configuration, designed for improved low-altitude maneuverability and safety. Originally planned to be powered by a turboprop engine, it was eventually equipped with a Pratt Whitney JT15D-5 turbofan engine, offering enhanced reliability and performance in challenging conditions. The asymmetrical design, with the GAU-12 U-25mm rotary cannon on one side and the engine intake on the other, provided stability and operational efficiency in combat. Key specifications. Length: 8.97 meters wingspan, 10.67 meters max speed, 750 km per hour service ceiling, 668 meters combat range, 110 km legacy and impact, though ARES was never adopted by the U.S. Army. It proved invaluable as a test platform for future technologies and innovations. Its contribution to aviation history continues, with ongoing research in aerodynamics, sensor systems, and more. Learn more about this fascinating aircraft and its impact on modern aviation.